diving into the future of productivity with the top AI tools you will need in 2025 to supercharge your workflow. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or just looking to make your daily routine more efficient, these AI tools will help you save time, streamline tasks, and even get more creative. Let's jump right in. First up is Notion AI. Notion has been a popular workspace tool, but with AI integration in 2025, it's become a powerhouse for task management. Imagine an AI that suggests which tasks to prioritize, organizes your notes automatically, and even drafts responses to email or project proposals. ClickUp AI takes project management to the next level. It analyzes team members' workload, suggests task assignments, and even estimates project completion times. It also sends intelligent reminders when deadlines are approaching based on the complexity of tasks. Todoist has added AI to its to-do list functionality, allowing users to create tasks with just a voice command. The AI also suggests your deadlines dynamically based on how well you are keeping up with your schedule. Content creation just got faster with Jasper AI. Whether you need blog posts, video scripts, or social media content, Jasper delivers high-quality writing in seconds. Its AI can even adapt to different tones and styles, ensuring your brand voice stays consistent. Descript AI is a game changer for video creators. This tool automatically transcribes your videos, allowing you to edit by just editing text. It also includes voice cloning and AI-powered overdubbing, making it perfect for polishing your content quickly. Want to create professional videos, presentations, but don't have the time? Synthesia uses AI to create videos with avatars that look and sound like people, reading your scripts without needing a camera or a recording studio. In the world of data, Tableau AI stands out. It helps you understand your data by generating clear visualizations and insights automatically. You just input the raw data and the AI does the rest. Make it easy to spot trends and make data-driven decisions. IBM Watson has been a leader in AI for years, and in 2025, it is still one of the top tools for businesses. Watson can sift through massive amounts of data and give you meaningful insights, whether you are in healthcare, finance, or retail. Need to analyze customer feedback? MonkeyLearn's AI analyzes text data, categorizes customer sentiments, and even provides suggestions for improving customer satisfaction. It is an essential tool for businesses looking to stay competitive. Grammarly AI is more than just a spell checker. In 2025, it's become an advanced writing assistant that helps with everything from grammar and clarity to tone and conciseness. It even suggests alternative words to make your writing more engaging. Microsoft Teams has integrated AI that transcribes meetings, summarizes key points, and assigns action items automatically. This allows your team to focus on collaboration while AI handles the busy work. Slack has taken team communication to the next level with AI-powered chatbots. These bots can answer routine questions, automate reminders, and help you manage your projects without leaving the chat window. Otter AI is perfect for those who want to capture meeting notes and lectures in real time. It transcribes conversations with incredible accuracy and organizes them into searchable, shareable files. Reclaim AI is the ultimate tool for maintaining work-life balance. It automatically schedules your personal tasks like workouts, meals, and break times around your work meetings, making sure you stay productive without burning out. XAI is your personal scheduling assistant. It handles meeting invites, reschedules, and cancellations. All you have to do is set your availability, and it takes care of the rest. In 2025, it's indispensable for managing your calendar efficiently. And there you have it. These are the top AI tools you will need in 2025 to boost your productivity and stay ahead of the curve, whether it is task management, content creation, or communication. These AI tools will transform how you work. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and productivity hacks. See you in the next one.